Why was there a hopper? Why was there a barrel? As I'm looking around through these trees, it's not a very good view for you. I know, I'm sorry. Hold on. Let me take you off the mount. Right up there, and there, and there, and up there. There are what looks to be mines. But I'm having to wrestle with myself. Because on the one hand, chances of me ever coming back to this location are slim to none. So if I don't explore them today, I ain't gonna explore them. But on the other hand, do I have the energy to go all the way up there and back down there and back up there and get back to my Jeep, which is several miles away? My dilemma is, what if I hike up there only to find it's a pit? I see a tunnel down there, so that's a surety. I only see signs of mines up there with small tailing waste rock piles and pretty high up on the mountain, which would suggest they're not worth exploring. But I'll tell you what, guys, this is gorgeous country, and the view here, oh my goodness, I can probably see for over 100 miles. Oh, that is cool. Check that out. What is that? Oh, that is for shizzle cool. L.M. Rumsey and Co., St. Louis. The number, I can't tell if you can see that or not, number 76. It looks like. Oh, that is cool. It's just sitting right here. What would that have been for, you guys? And why would it be here of all places? Do you know what? I wonder if someone just threw it like a frisbee. Oh, that is cool. That is so cool. What in the world did that go to? Please leave a comment if you know what this is from, or what it is used for. I am very curious. This is very cool. I'm a huge fan of drafting and compasses, the like, and so a find like this, that is just really cool. All right, so we were up there and we hiked along this, did some exploring in that massive waste rock pile. Definitely keep an eye out for those videos to come. And I said that I didn't think the line spanned the canyon, but I don't know if you can see it, but it actually does. One line spans all the way across this. It is insane. But anyway, I'm on that road that leads to that hopper that I saw. I don't know how clear in the video the hopper looked, but we're gonna see if we can't climb over there and take a look. This is a very old road. Very, very, very old road. FYI, it's about 4:30. We were at over 3.5 miles trying to get across this tram line. I did not, I did not include those mines in this video because that's not the purpose of this video. But golly gee, mister, that's huge. You're not going to want to miss those videos. I'm not looking forward to hiking back to the Jeep, I'll tell you that. I am just about out of water. Got plenty at the Jeep, but it's at the Jeep, so it doesn't do me any good right here. But at least for the most part, it will be downhill, which is a lot easier than going uphill. All right, so here are the cut lines. But it still has one line going all the way up. Well, I was going to continue on this road thinking it went around, but it's kind of going down. So I guess it's back uphill we go. I do think this will be our last stop though. Our last waypoint, I mean. Even if it continues. I am far enough away from my Jeep and it is late enough in the afternoon that I can't really continue on. So in the mine I just came out of was 56 degrees inside, and outside it was only 81 degrees outside. There you have it, ladies and gentlemen. There you have it. And it continues on. My goodness. So, why was there a hopper? Why was there a barrel? No, but seriously, why was there a hopper here? Looks like there's something up there. Does not look like we're going to get to the end of the rainbow on this one, ladies and gentlemen. I wonder if these headed off to that. I mean, that would make sense. And then they'd come over here with the ore and dump it in the hopper. That makes sense. Which means there might be a road up here. Yeah, there's definitely a track here. I might follow that back, see what I can see. It goes around the corner though. Where are you going? Who are you? Where do you come from? Where are you going? Keep hearing stuff coming from out that hopper. Excuse me. I am one tired hiker. One tired minor 49er. That's what we do here, right? We do what we can to find the mines. That tram line just continues to go. I wonder what that road is. How do I get to it? There's some beams up there. Wonder if that's for telephone or if there's actually a mine over here. That's not a good sign. I'm starting to feel blisters on the bottom of my feet. That's never good. I'm really curious as to where this track goes. I suspect they left that track we were following with the lines because they were bent. That's actually not uncommon. They take the straight stuff but leave the bent stuff. Where are we going? Oh, that's where we're going. All right, ladies and gentlemen, how far down this rabbit's hole are we actually going to go? I get the impression I could spend days in this area and still not find everything. This is so cool. Sure came the hard way though if there's a road. There's definitely stuff here. Heard that piece of tin right there make noise, and I was concerned about a snake, but no rattle, so I'm good to go. Alright, well, hate to do this to you again, but sorry, you're gonna have to chime in within the next couple of weeks to see what all this leads to. This is a tram line video, not a mine video. But I will catch back up to you guys when I get back to that tram line and start heading home. You know, I can't help but wonder and imagine what life must have been like for those miners. Day in, day out, load up in that cart, ride up the tram, head up and over these gorgeous mountains, and just work like you wouldn't believe all day long inside of a mine. How much did they get paid, do you think? Enough to make a living? Probably not. Enough to squeak by? Probably. Enough to raise a family on? Could be. There are certain aspects of this that could be very romanticized. I'm not gonna lie. There are aspects of mining that I think are just truly beautiful. There's a certain peace, I know it's kind of weird to say, but peace to being inside of the earth. There's definitely a peace to being up on the top of this mountain, I'll tell you that. But at the same time, hard work is hard work. And I don't mind hard work if it's something I can be proud of. But when you work hard and what you get out of it isn't worth the effort you put into it, it can be demoralizing. I hope that these miners' hard work satisfied them, left them proud. And for what it's worth, I have a lot of respect for them. A lot of respect. All right, I am going to begin my trek back to the Jeep. I am 4 miles away from the Jeep, and it is 5 o'clock in the evening. So hopefully I can get there before 7, but boy, I don't know. This could be a long day for me. Long or short, it has been worth the trip, 100-fold. Saw some cool, awesome sights, some really fantastic finds, and just had an all-around good time. I asked you guys to put a lot of things in the comments today. I know that. But I am wanting your involvement in these. I think it's fun for me, and it's fun for, I hope it's fun for you. Some of you have been with me for the whole time. One last thing to put in the comments. How long have you been subscribed to the channel? How long have you been watching? Is this your first video? Or have you been here the whole time? Is an anniversary coming up? Let me know. I didn't start too long ago, 2019, March. But it has been one satisfying journey, and I can't wait for the next adventure. But for right now, I can't wait to see where this road track goes. There's that hole that we passed. I don't know if I included that in this video or not. As soon as we get to the end of this track line, I'm going to go ahead and turn you guys off and catch back up with you when and if I find anything worth showing. This was a fun one. Speaking of things worth looking at, just a sneak preview. Yeah, can't see it very well, but it'll be coming out a couple weeks after this video does, along with a handful of other really cool finds. There's some short ones, as there always are, but even the short ones are really cool just because of what we find inside. I'm spoiling it too much. I'll catch up with you guys later. Hey guys, I'm wearing blisters into my feet. I think they're just hot spots right now, but if I don't take care of them, they're gonna get worse. So I'm gonna get into my first aid bag and get out some moleskin to put on them. Wish me luck. Well, I got the moleskin on my feet. Fortunately, I haven't formed a blister yet. Knock on wood. And so those patches should help. You have to excuse my voice. I ran out of water, and so I'm sucking on a rock. Picked that little gem of a trick up from none other than Louis L'Amour. Well, ladies and gentlemen, there she is, my Jeep. We've made it. Thank you so much for joining me on this incredible journey. It is 6:45. I've gone 5.7 miles. So it has been a trip. Could be 6 by the time I get back to the Jeep. It's pretty steep here, pretty long, but I'm gonna end the video here. Thank you so much for joining me. I will see you guys on the next one.